In the heart of the turbulent 1960s, a revolutionary spirit took hold of America, resonating in the streets, homes, and minds of its people. This was the birth of the counterculture movement, a cultural revolution that sought to challenge the status quo and reshape society's values. Amidst the backdrop of the Cold War and the Vietnam War, a generation of young, disillusioned Americans grew weary of the conformity and materialism that defined the postwar era. They yearned for authenticity, freedom, and a deeper connection with humanity. The counterculture movement, initially centered in urban cities like San Francisco and New York, began to gather momentum. Hippies, with their distinctive dress, music, and ideology, became the face of this cultural upheaval. They embraced alternative lifestyles, rejecting consumerism, traditional values, and the draft. The heart of the counterculture movement was its rejection of the mainstream. Hippies sought solace in communal living, creating intentional communities across the country. They experimented with psychedelics, believing they could expand consciousness and understanding of the world. At the forefront of this cultural revolution were visionaries like Timothy Leary, who advocated for the use of psychedelics as a tool for personal and societal transformation. Allen Ginsberg, the beat poet, challenged societal norms with his radical poetry, such as Howl, which became a symbol of the counterculture's rebellion. The counterculture movement was not without controversy. Critics accused the hippies of being selfish, irresponsible, and even dangerous. The media portrayed them as drug-addled dropouts, fueling public backlash. However, the movement's impact was undeniable. The counterculture movement influenced various aspects of society, from music and fashion to politics and social attitudes. The anti-war movement, the women's liberation movement, and the civil rights movement all drew inspiration from the counterculture's ideals of peace, love, and freedom. The counterculture movement of the 1960s left an indelible mark on American society. It challenged the status quo, sparked a cultural revolution, and forever changed the way people thought about peace, love, and the pursuit of happiness. Though the movement eventually faded, its spirit lives on, continuing to inspire those who seek a more authentic, compassionate, and free world.